Discover real estate gems at significantly lower prices by clicking on below market value property. Our AI tool and clever algorithms will curate a list of properties with immense potential in your preferred areas. Effortlessly navigate using our user-friendly tools. Refine your search with sort by and filter options, customizing by area, price, property type, bedrooms, and tenure. Take a closer look at the property located at 7 Bearwood Close, Potters Bar, Hertfordshire, N65HJ. This property is highlighted as below market value, offering a total savings of 29.4% based on its assessed value. Additionally, compare the average sold price in the vicinity with the selected property's price for a comprehensive understanding of potential savings, compared to typical market rates for similar properties in the area. Explore property details, floor plans, and market insights using our analysis tools. Discover agent details, planning information, schools, and more. Feel free to explore, and our support team is here to assist you. Thank you for choosing PropMarker for your property needs.